Mr. Kumar, please introduce yourself in detail.
Well, at very outset, I wish the panel a warm afternoon. I'm privileged to introduce myself as Durga Ramanjane Kumar Babu, currently pursuing 4th BTech at Ramchandra College of Engineering from the Faculty of Computer Science. I have an aggregate CGPA of 7.2. To inform my personal traits, I'm enthusiastic, perseverant, quick learner, and a strong believer in group dynamics. I have an active participant in various techno-functional fests which are held in college, inter-college level. I have presented a paper presentation on artificial intelligence. And to talk about my hobbies, from dusk to dawn, life is a mechanical process. In this mechanical process, my habituates are active stress busters. Those include playing cricket. It actually keeps me active and make me to work in group dynamics. And also, I heard from Potnuru, which is in the vicinity of Eluru. My goal is to be work on a IT sector employee, which improves my knowledge and uses my responsibilities and services more and more. That's all about myself, sir. Thank you.
What would you consider is your biggest strength among the 5 strengths you mentioned?
Working as a group dynamic, sir. Working in group.
Where have you worked as a group?
So during not only on playing cricket and during your sessions also, I worked in a group dynamics, sir. It actually keeps me interactive with more people and communicating with all and handling pressure in group, working in group dynamics while playing cricket, we actually handles a lot pressure. This all includes became a biggest strength, sir, like working in group.
So in a group, would you prefer to be a team leader or a team player?
I prefer to be a team leader, sir.
Why is that?
Because I love to take challenges and handle pressure more and more while being a leader, sir. And I always keep motivating my team members. Yes, we can do anything. I like the job, sir.
So would you like to get into a team leader's post as a fresher in your first job?
No, sir. After joining, after 2 or 3 years, I want to be a team leader, sir.
Hypothetical, let's say it's been 2 years, 2.5 years, you're still not made a team leader. What would you do in TCS?
Still continue as a team player, sir.
All right. So, but you'll still be craving to become a team leader. And if some other company gives you a team leader job, you're most likely to jump there.
No, sir. Once I got a job in TCS, I will be always with TCS, sir. I don't have any
Why
other.
would you always be with TCS?
Because TCS provides lot many advantages and benefits to grow for the employees, sir. And it recently TCS takes partnership with Byju's and LinkedIn, where we can employees easily learn courses freely, and also TCS have its own platform called Level, where the employees can learn new technologies 24/7, sir. And it also provides the most benefit thing is clients can directly interact with the employees, so we can give good result to the clients, sir. These benefits make me to work with only TCS.
Interesting. Pretty clear that you are very focused on TCS and you're obviously interested in TCS.
Sir,
why should TCS be interested in Kumar Babu?
Because the technologies which are used in TCS are, I know very well the technologies which are used in TCS, and I done certificates like Python, which is most used in TCS, sir. And not only that, I recently enrolled to Java, and also some other languages like HTML, CSS, which are mainly
HTML, CSS are big programming languages.
Not the programming, sir, the web developments.
All right. So after Python, what would you plan to learn? Because you have at least another 10 months before you complete your engineering.
Yes, I'm interested to learn SQL and Java, sir.
You already mentioned SQL in your resume.
So, deep, sir. Like SQL, I only know the basics, sir, not more about SQL. So I want to know.
Don't you think you are trying to diversify into various arenas rather than focusing on one technology?
I have the capability to diverse, so like 2 or 3 languages. I have the capability to learn and go work on it, sir.
Are you interested to work for Oracle?
Yes, sir.
So in TCS, you say that you want to work for Oracle.
Oh, no, not Oracle company, sir.
Okay. Okay, you thought on the Oracle platform.
Yes, sir.
All right. Makes sense. Do you like to take up challenges?
Yes, sir. I like to take up challenges.
Can you give an example of big challenge that you have taken up and how did you handle it?
Uh, the best challenge during my 3 month semester, sir. Exactly, I have roughly 30 days for preparation on the 3 months, sir. I just completed almost 50% and I have to cover another 50% of the syllabus. And I took up as a challenge to complete the whole syllabus within those 30 days. I started working daily, working for 4 hours and watching YouTube and searching on browsers about the matter, everything. And I secured more 8 points CGPA in that after completion of 3 months, sir.
What is the difference between confidence and overconfidence?
So confidence is always depends on facts and I mean in easy words I can say overconfidence is nothing but only the work only I can do, and confidence is nothing but anyone can do. I mean it actually works on facts and goals, sir.
So
But when
which
it comes,
side are you? Which side are you? Confident side or the overconfident side?
I'm in confidence side, sir.
All right, interesting. So tell me one technology that you are very confident about.
Artificial intelligence, sir.
Okay, and you're using Python for that.
Yes, sir. Using Python I'm doing that.
Why Python? AI can be done in Java also.
Yes, sir. But I learned more on. I mean, I started working with Python with artificial intelligence, so I just continued with only Python, sir. I'm trying
Let me ask
to
you a
evolve.
simple question. How do you delete a file in Python?
So by using delete command, we can use the delete file in
Delete
the
command.
Yes, sir.
You have a remove command.
Yes, sir. We have a remove also, sir. But the difference between delete and remove is remove it will not delete entire files, sir. But when you use delete, it will remove entire files.
Mhm. Interesting. Uh, why is Python called an interpreted language?
Sir, because when we compile Python, it go by line, sir.
Mhm. Any idea about pandas and anacondas?
A little bit, sir. Pandas are used to create the data frames, sir, in Python.
Interesting. So what are the different data frames that you could use in Python?
I'm not sure about it exactly, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between X range and range in Python? X range and range.
I know the function range, sir, but I'm not familiar with X range.
Explain range then.
Range is nothing but from a certain range, sir. From when we write a loop on for loop, from starting, I mean, we have a range for syntax is like starting position and next end positions. In those
What is the
ranges, we
purpose
do the
of
operations.
What is the purpose of Lambda in Python?
Lambda functions are like nameless functions, sir, where we not give any name to that functions, and we use with the lambda keyword.
Interesting. Decorators.
Decorators in Python are like well, I'm not sure about it, sir.
Mhm. What are unit tests in Python?
Unit tests in Python.
No problem. What is the difference between continue and pass in Python?
Yes, sir. Pass is nothing but when you go into the block, it just skip that iteration, sir.
Mhm.
And when you use the continue keyword, it actually go to the next loop, sir. I mean next iterations.
Last question. What is PEP8, PEP8?
I'm not sure about it.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Let me ask you a few more specific questions. This would highlight the way you think.
Okay, sir.
My first question is, would you lie to get this job?
Yes, sir.
You would lie to get this job.
Oh.
So what lies have you told me so far?
Yes, sir. Would you like to get the job? You're asking lies, sir.
Yeah. What did you think?
Not lied anything, sir. I am fair, totally
I
fair.
know, but would you lie to get this job?
I will lie, sir, if I want to get the job.
I appreciate your honesty. Now, the next question is, would you lie to retain your job?
Sir, if I did a mistake, then I will not lie, sir. If there is no mistake and company want to me remove, then I will lie for that.
Tell me one thing that's not on your resume. That's a little interesting to know.
It's not on my resume.
You're going through your resume now.
Sir, I think I mentioned everything in my resume, sir. That's the
So
reason
there's
I
nothing
just,
more to Kumar Babu than what is on the resume already.
sir.
Mhm. What is the biggest misconception your classmates have on you?
It's misconception. They always think me that I am lying with them, sir. I will always tell truth, sir, but they think that's the lie, sir.
Why do they do like that?
I don't know, sir, but because of my results, I said I will not. I'm not reading at home, and when I secured 8 points, no man, you are lying. You read at home. They're saying,
Oh, okay. Okay. So one last question before I let you go for today.
sir.
Can you give some suggestions to improve the online training that has happened in the last 1.5 year? I know it has not been effective in India, especially.
Sir.
So as a student, what is your observation and what do you suggest to improve online training?
Sir, during online classes, the faculty are not interacting with the students, sir. If they started interacting and asking questions randomly, I think it will be more easy. I mean, it will be very good, sir, to improve. And not only that, sir, I think they should provide materials also, sir. During online classes, there's showing slides, and they are not sharing that PDPs, PPTs to our students, sir.
On that note, one final question, though I said the previous is the last one, have to ask this. Do you think you'll be working from home or would you be asked to come and work in the office? What's your expectation?
Anything is fine, sir.
I am not asking what is fine with you. What do you think is in future? What's going to happen?
I think they will, as Corona is decreasing nowadays, so I think they will tell to come to the location, specific locations to work, sir.
So do you have any specific locations?
No, sir. Any location fine, sir. Through entire the world.
Is Chennai okay with you?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll see you in Chennai then. All the best.
Thank you, sir.